Well, my friends, I am here with MTD Global, and obviously you can see I am visiting Vollmer. Unfortunately, I cannot take you inside today, but stay tuned because we will be learning more about these amazing grinding machines from a company that's been around since 1909. That's right, over a century old, and I am excited to be working with Vollmer. So, I know, have patience. Today is not the day, but we have some great stuff coming to you. In the meantime, enjoy these amazing videos.
Vollmer, you're a big company, aren't you? You sell a lot of machines around the world.
Yes, Vollmer Group is a worldwide company. We have subsidiaries in 14 countries at the moment. So yeah, we can say we're a global player, global supplier for machines.
And what is this machine that we're actually seeing here?
This machine particularly we want to show on the exhibition with the function to sharp this circular saw blades using in the metal cutting industry.
Okay, so these have got carbide sort of tips on here, aren't they, that are essentially being reground?
Yes, that's right. So we are using this machine to make complete geometry of the, for example, new saw blades. When the producer of the saw blades brace new tips on complete diameter of the saw blades, and then we have to achieve the individual geometry for the saw blades. It depends if we want to cut the aluminum or we would like to cut wood material. Then we have to pick up the correct one program. So this machine is our, let's say, flag machine, the main machine in our portfolio. The machine is offered to producers and to sharpening shops for carbide tools up to 100 diameters. And the geometry can be used for woodworking industry and metal industry, but specialized, we say this machine is specialized for metal industry. But what is specific in our machine, that our basic machine is equipped already with two separate grinding wheel spindles, which work separately. It means you don't need to exchange the grinding wheels sets. You can do complete tool in one setup without stopping the machine or opening the door to adjust something